Chewy Espresso chocolate chunk cookies with a cup of brown sugar and then a fourth a cup of white sugar. 3/4 cup of brown butter. I cooled it, and make sure you get all the stuff at the bottom. Chocolate chip cookies, brown butter chocolate chip cookies. We need 1 egg and then one egg yolk. I didn't break it this time. I'm gonna put this in my fridge and probably forget about it. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Same thing as last recipe. You're supposed to mix all the flour and dry ingredients together in a separate bowl and then add it in, but we are not gonna do that. 1 3/4 cup flour, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. No. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. What it is a 1/4 cup of espresso powder. But what the heck is espresso powder? I have instant coffee. They're a little bit chunky, and I feel like espresso powder is powder. So we're gonna mortal and pestle. I'm gonna do about 1/4 of a cup. Probably a little bit more. Mortal? It's not mortal.
Mortar and pestle.
Mortar and pestle. Mix the wet and then dry ingredient, and then fold it all together. Don't overmix. I cut up a chocolate bar last time for my cookies, and chocolate chips. Ooh. Fold again. Feels a little dry, but we're going with it. Unfortunately, we're supposed to put these in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Better be worth it. In the meantime, do you want to see my ratatouille? All right. Scoop them into 1 ounce cookies, however much that is. They make 16. Don't forget the salt. It makes a huge difference. Bake for 11 minutes. It's really good, but it's very coffee forward. I don't love coffee, but I have friends that would probably demolish this, so